A gene is a part of DNA that carries instructions for making proteins, which determine traits like eye color or height. A gene is a small section of DNA that contains the instructions for making something the body needs, like a protein. These instructions help determine how living things grow, develop, and function. A gene is a segment of DNA, and DNA is made from 4 bases: A. Adenine, T. Thymine, C. Cytosine, G. Guanine. The order of these bases in a gene forms a code that tells the cell how to make a specific protein. So, genes are written using these 4 letters: A, T, C, G. How many genes do humans have? Humans have approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes in their DNA. What is the relationship between genes and proteins? Genes contain the instructions to make proteins. Each gene tells the cell how to build a specific protein, which carries out important functions in the body. What is a mutation in a gene? A mutation in a gene is a change in the DNA sequence. It can alter how a protein is made, possibly causing diseases or different traits. How are genes inherited? Genes are passed from parents to offspring through reproductive cells. Each parent contributes half of the child's DNA, which determines traits. What is the function of a gene? The function of a gene is to provide instructions for making proteins, which control the structure and function of cells in the body. What is the difference between a gene and an allele? A gene is a segment of DNA that controls a trait. An allele is a version of that gene, like different flavors of the same recipe, e.g., blue eyes versus brown eyes. Can environment affect gene expression? Yes, the environment can affect gene expression. Things like diet, stress, sunlight, or pollution can turn certain genes on or off without changing the DNA sequence. In the meantime, here's a quick example. If you spend a lot of time in sunlight, your skin cells may express genes for melanin production, making your skin darker. A poor diet might trigger or silence genes related to obesity or diabetes. In the body, genes interact with cells, hormones, proteins, and signals to control how organs work, how we grow, fight disease, and respond to changes like heat or food.